So we have here Mazda MX-5 ND2 2019 model. Ibang karga nito. So naka stock intake, then 421 headers from JD Mufflers, and then full exhaust. So tune natin without pops. Gusto lang ni sir mawala yung delay, tsaka madagdagan yung horsepower, tsaka ma-maximize yung upgrade na ginawa niya sa exhaust. So let's go.